Otumaka panubuté Angeli sandwich. Te panubuté Angeli sandwich, affectionatelica la PBJ, iatasti American staple en makakik, esilen snack. You can avit te traditional where you can jet creative pull ofefna, tasti tre init. Ce making a basic sandwich to get started with your delicious sandwich. Ingrédients. Bread, usually on or two slices per sandwich. Panubuté. Jelly or jam. Making a basic sandwich. Collect your ingrédients. You will want panubuté, some jam or jelly, and some bread. You may also want to grab some buté, a buté can the flavor of the sandwich. There are lots of different of bread and spreads from, so you'll have to do a little experimenting to know why you like. Lots of type of panubuté come with lots of added sugar and partially hydrogenated all for your health. If you're looking for a healthy option, try organic panubuté. Natural panubuté may have a layer of oil on top, but if you carefully stir it in when you open it jar and then keep the jar of panubuté in the refrigerator, the oil will no separate out again. Trarlo en low of flavor for jelly and jam. The two most commonly used are grape and strawberry. However, you could branch out to a sharp taste like raspberry, or a mixture of several different. For you bread you'll probably want something that doesn't overwhelm your hot flavor, like curry or sourdough, so you'll probably want to go for plain whole wheat or wheat. Spray a panubuté evenly onto a slice of bread using a knife. You'll decide how much panubuté you want, but if you're going to be taking the sandwich somewhere, you'll probably want to do a little light on the panubuté. Otherwise it will get very dry before you get to eat it. Stir your panubuté before to soften it and make it easy to spread on the bread slice. A note tip for spreading panubuté, especially the can with panu in it, to put some of the panubuté in a bowl en microwave for about 20 seconds. It will spread on the bread like soft butter. If you do use butter, you'll put butter on some slice of bread at panubuté, before you put panubuté on. Spread jelly or jam evenly on the slice of bread. You'll want to use a teaspoon or knife. Again, unless you're going to be eating it right on your like jelly, try to avoid overwhelming your sandwich with jam. Prest 2 slices of bread to jeter. To avoid having the panubuté en jam run everywhere, don't quickly. A good way to take about a slice at some time and quickly press them to jeter. Cut sandwich. The best way to cut a sandwich is diagonal, from one corner to another, giving you 2 triangle shaped pieces. Otherwise, you can cut directly across the sandwich, leaving you with 2 rectangular shaped pieces. Enjoy your easy and yummy looking sandwich. Just make sure to wash your hands afterward, because you'll be certain to get the mixture of panubuté and jelly on them. Getting creative. Add crunch. Make your sandwich a little more interesting by adding things like granola, pretzel, or Ritz cracker. The added benefit of granola is that it gives you more fiber and nutrients and a healthy option. Add more sweetness. There are lots of different sweetenings you can add to your sandwich, like syrup, especially maple syrup, a cube banana, some honey, brown sugar, or different of berry, blueberry, pomegranate seed, etc. Toast your bread. It will give your sandwich a little more crunch and a little more taste. It is also helpful when spreading panubuté, because it doesn't easily a regular bread. 1. You could also try using biscuit instead of bread, because the panubuté and jelly would spread well initially and there would be a little different taste. Use French toast for the bread. You'll need 2 slices of bread, an egg, 2 tablespoons milk, some cinnamon, some brown sugar, and the panubuté en jelly. 2. Mix to jeter cinnamon, egg, milk, and brown sugar. Dip your slice of bread into the mixture, making sure you don't cut it too much. Pu breadinski en coke for a couple of minutes. Flipped bread en coke a couple more minutes. Remove from en spread with panu buté en jelly en return to cooking for about a minute en medium heat. Put en plate, in half, en yacht. Use banana bread forte bread. We pup some mad de banana bread en spread it with your usual panu buté en jelly. Tia delicious trea engive you the benefit of the banana with the bonus of the sweetness of cake.